What's up, everybody, on the Carman's channel, and we are going to turn around and take this tail light, or if you have a burnt reverse light, blinker, parking, brake, that's probably a marker. Today's going to be how we're going to fix it. This is kind of a simple video, so just sit tight and I'm going to get it done for you. Meanwhile, these videos are designed to try to help you and entertain you in the best way humanly possible. You'll see, like, there's two screws right here. I'm going to get to Phillips head. And anyway, our goal is to hopefully get you a subscription, so you subscribe to our channel. And all these little bulbs, I'll do the work for you and find them for you and put them in the Amazon link in the description. So I've taken the Phillips heads out. She just slides in there. So you see she's got two alignments right here. No big deal. And we have three bulbs. And they just, let me see if I can kind of show you one right here. And they all, okay, well, if you want to take them off, be careful. Should just kind of, trying to find that little spot there. Well, I might have to take it all the way off. All right, hang on a second. These things are really, really brittle. The first one just kind of popped off. Let's see if I can do this, because I can't quite get the... Ah, there we go. I got it free. Okay, so I just couldn't quite turn it all the way far back. And that's how they come on. They come out just like that. And... no big deal. What is this? This is a 3157, which is a stock normal bulb. And then you just kind of wiggle them. Don't really want to pull it, because if you pull it right here where they're married together, the older they are, they have a tendency to fall out. Meanwhile, this is all that you got going on in there. We check in there and make sure we don't have any serious corrosion. And sometimes you have to replace this socket if it's really bad, or you can get away with just putting a little bit of grease, bulb grease, which they sell it at any of your parts stores whatsoever. And that's it. That's all there is to a bulb in a... Wait, I'm going to put this back on. And an escape. Now, to take these off, I would be... I mean, just by the ever so slight little bit of pressure on it, just like that. Let's see if we can get one of these off without actually breaking it, because they are very, very fragile. Okay, I'm using both my fingers. So yeah, with just a little bit of finesse, you can make it happen. Speaking of finesse, probably need to come up with some of that to be able to hold on to this. Meanwhile, because you have burnt lights doesn't mean you're failing at life. Don't get that ticket. Just switch it out, my man. Okay, and here's how this works too, by the way. It has different size, there we go. So there's different sizes. It's only going to fit one way. So you kind of feel it. And once you feel it, you just twist it and lock it. But before I couldn't quite twist it far enough, but that's all there is to it. And you can't really mess these up because they only fit a certain way. Should only fit a certain way. Okay. Okay. And we want to put that back on there. Okay. Here we go. Put that back on. Alright guys, and that'll conclude it. Of course, this is your reverse light down on the bottom. And when you go to put these things back in, carefully just line up those two pins I showed you earlier. It'll kind of lock itself in place. And you can then kind of hand start these guys. I know, we do these videos because We get a lot of requests for them, so I just decided to start doing them on every vehicle now. That way, I'll eventually have a catalog, and I'll be like, just look in the playlist. I know, y'all think that's funny. Meanwhile, I hope you guys are enjoying the Carman's Play Store from Amazon, which is in our description. That's where I put all this cool stuff at, man. Cool little tools and stuff. I kind of have fun. I'm working on that every night because I just totally dig it. It's kind of like building my own Walmart, except free, and I don't have nothing invested. I'll be like, hey, look at all my buddies. This is what we all get. Okay, guys. That's a wrap. That's a wrap on your tail light. That's how you fix it. Brake light, tail light, blinker light, whatever kind of light, it don't really matter. Meanwhile, number peace and love. See you later on the flip from the RVA. Later.